Across every continent except Antarctica, these mysterious, often misunderstood creatures have silently slithered through the shadows for over 100 million years. From the deepest forests to the driest deserts, snakes have adapted to survive in some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. Join us as we unravel the secretive world of snakes. Snakes are part of the reptilian family, sharing ancestors with lizards. Scientists believe that around 100 million years ago, some species of lizards began evolving to become more specialized burrowers. Over time, their limbs disappeared, their bodies elongated, and their movement became more serpentine. Today, there are over 3,000 species of snakes, each adapted to its own unique habitat. Despite their lack of limbs, snakes have evolved a wide range of unique adaptations that allow them to thrive. Their bodies are covered in scales made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails. These scales reduce friction, helping snakes glide smoothly over the ground. As snakes grow, they shed their skin periodically, leaving behind a perfect impression of their scales. Their most iconic feature, the forked tongue, serves as an advanced sensory tool. Snakes taste the air, collecting scent particles and delivering them to the Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth. This remarkable sense of smell helps them detect prey, find mates, and avoid danger. One of the most significant distinctions in the snake kingdom is between venomous and non-venomous species. Around 600 species of snakes are venomous, capable of delivering a lethal bite, while the vast majority are harmless to humans. Venomous snakes have evolved specialized glands that produce toxic venom, which they deliver through hollow fangs. This venom is used primarily for hunting, paralyzing or killing prey before consumption. Different venoms serve different purposes. Some attack the nervous system, while others cause internal bleeding. Species like cobras, vipers, and sea snakes are among the most well-known venomous snakes. On the other hand, non-venomous snakes rely on other hunting strategies. Many, like pythons and boas, are constrictors. They use their muscular bodies to wrap around their prey and squeeze until the animal suffocates. Despite their fearsome reputation, even the largest constrictors pose little threat to humans. All snakes are carnivorous, feeding on a wide range of animals. Their diet can include insects, birds, rodents, amphibians, and even other snakes. Snakes are unique in their ability to swallow prey whole, thanks to their highly flexible jaws. Contrary to popular belief, snakes do not dislocate their jaws, they simply stretch them to accommodate prey much larger than their head. Once the prey is inside, it's digested over hours or even days, depending on its size. Snakes have slow metabolisms and can go weeks or even months between meals. Snakes reproduce in two primary ways. Some lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Species like the king cobra carefully lay and guard their eggs until they hatch, while others abandon the eggs to fend for themselves. Snakes that give birth to live young, such as boas and vipers, retain the eggs inside their bodies until the babies are fully developed. These newborn snakes are immediately independent and begin hunting within days of birth. Snakes can be found in almost every corner of the planet. From the arid deserts where species like the sidewinder thrive, to the dense rainforests home to the emerald tree boa, they are masters of adaptation. Some even live in aquatic environments, such as the sea snake, which spends almost its entire life in the ocean. Urbanization has brought humans into closer contact with snakes. While this can lead to conflict, snakes play an essential role in controlling pest populations, particularly rodents. Without snakes, many ecosystems would become overrun with prey species, leading to imbalances in the food chain. Throughout history, snakes have been both feared and revered. In many cultures, they symbolize death, transformation, and rebirth. In ancient mythology, the snake often represents both wisdom and danger, such as the serpent in the Garden of Eden or the Ouroboros, a symbol of eternal cycles. Despite their portrayal in folklore and movies as aggressive killers, most snakes are shy, preferring to avoid confrontation. Bites are a last resort, used only when they feel threatened. Yet, fear of snakes, or ophidiophobia, remains one of the most common human phobias. Many species of snakes are now under threat due to habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal wildlife trade. Species like the Indian python and certain types of vipers are endangered, their populations dwindling in the face of human encroachment. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these essential predators. From habitat restoration projects to anti-poaching measures, scientists and activists are working to ensure that snakes continue to play their vital role in ecosystems around the world. Though often misunderstood and feared, snakes are an integral part of the natural world. They are ancient survivors, evolving and adapting to every challenge nature throws their way. As we continue to learn more about them, One thing is clear, the world would be a very different place without these silent, graceful predators. Next time you see a snake, remember, you're witnessing millions of years of evolution, a creature perfectly attuned to its environment. They are not the monsters of myth, but vital threads in the intricate web of life.